Togotigana nayo ekiombe kia National Construction Authority asorogongo rwa Nyanza ya Irianyi gekoragwa na engineer Were nigo kiarairo morobero bogosimeka emete ase skuru yoboruso ya Nyankuru unenchire yemo yokorenda ebinto ebibetanaine mwanya bantu buna tokumanyibwa no musakeito job onkaga
ase kelia kimanyakanete buna corporate social responsibility nige kiombe ya serikali kia National Construction Authority NCA ikigotenerete korama agacho buna nkobale ayekeranete nigo kiaraete omurobero bogosimeka meta ase skuru ye primary Nyanguru eyera ase constituency ya Nyaribari chache county ya Kisii ukwane birebyo nigo omuengineer otenerete NCA orogongoro rwa Nyanza Irianyi engineer Were atebire enenchere yamoyo koirania gochia ase mwanya bantu murobero gokoreka kiro mwaka.
And today, we are here at Nyanguru Primary School to do an exercise on tree planting. And this is in conjunction with the directive from the President on having at least 10% coverage of forest in the whole country. And therefore, we have come here in conjunction with the Department of Forest to plant trees. And this is an exercise that we want to do in the whole country. In Kisii here, we want to plant about 200 trees, but in the whole country, in conjunction with the forest, we want to plant more than 3,000 trees all over the country.
Libagelio kurogo sorrogo chia sabanto bonsi konyora libagalio kwagacha chinyomba ichuchirabe chikiranete bunankoegwa bale libaga na ekiombeke.
As an exercise of the government, there's a core mandate as NCA that we do in regulating and coordinating construction works in this country. In this mandate that we have been given and function to regulate construction industry, we register and regulate the functioning of contractors. We accredit construction workers to ensure that those who undertake construction in this country, they qualify and they know what they are doing.
Umutenere kurwa sekiombe ya forestry county yeni gago kereto morobiro yo omuyabwo kolenda mazingira ito.
And I'm here to encourage the NCA and the community to continue with this exercise, though I think it is the first exercise in Kisii County.
Yes, it is.
So I'm just urging the administration and the school administration to make sure that the trees are well nurtured and they are well taken care of, so that when you come back next year at the same time, we find when the trees are grown and the environment is clean.